Welcome to this short introduction to our market access and pricing for the German market. My name is Ursula Schorn. I'm founder of pharmacy.com. Just by entering here a search string such as AMNOC and an active ingredients name, Erenumab, you get an overview about all the German products which are or have been in an AMNOC process. You see here the PZN, unique identification number of the package in the German market, the different provider of such a AMNOC product, and here the different attributes such as quantity unit, the wholesale price, and most important, the ex-factory price of the provider. Just by clicking on the PZN, the pharmaceutical unique ID, you get an overview about all the detailed information of this product, including the provider contact details, distribution channels, and the classifications via ATC code. And here, more important, the pricing information. This is the ex-factory price, the APU. You see here that you have also a price history for this price. So this product has been entered into the market in 2018 and has changed its price in January 2020. And you can also see here, just by scrolling down, that there has been a benefit assessment. The original starting price was 535 euros, which went down to 383. Probably it is because of the results out of the AMNOC process. And you have here the link to the English information. Active ingredient is Erenumab. And you have also direct access to the resolution. So if there has been additional benefit for this product, you see that this resolution is out of September 2019. That's why after this date, the price has changed. We will come back to that. You have also the resolution completely here and the justification for this resolution. So just to have a look here, in September, it was in September 2019. So you see here that in January 2020, the price has changed to the corresponding AMNOC price. And the European reference price you may find here. We have also information on reimbursement in Germany. So we can see here that this product, Aimovig, has a health insurance discount agreements. And you see here the list of the different health insurance companies who have discount agreements with, in this case, Novartis. And you have also here a complete overview about the generic products in the market to Aimovig, ordered by their retail price in pharmacies. And you see here the co-payment of the patients, the health insurance reimbursement, the mandatory discount for pharmacies, and the mandatory discount for the provider. And you may choose here, for example, AOK as a big health insurance company in Germany. And then you see that AOK has a discount agreement with Novartis. In this case, the patient has nothing as co-payment. And these are the mandatory discounts for pharmacies, provider, and health insurance company. That's so far for our market access tools we have. Hopefully, this will help in your daily work. And thank you for your time.